Hacking list. Introduction of product ports. Connect the network cable to the Ethernet port. Connect the USB port to your PC. Driver installation. Open the browser. Enter www.wavlink.com. Type NWU331GCA in the search box. Click Driver, download Windows version. Open the folder to install the driver. Select driver for your OS version. Double-click the file. Click Next. Click Install. After the driver is successfully installed, click Finish. Configuring network setting. Right-click the network icon and select Open Network and Internet Settings. Set up as needed. For Mac users, this product is driver-free and supports plug-and-play. Configuring network setting. Open the setting. Click Network. Set up as needed. Feel free to contact our support team if you meet any problem. Post sales at wavlink.com or contact@wavlink.com.